The pre-cleaning of Da Vinci robotic instruments previously required brushing, rinsing, and manual moving of the complex instruments. This process is very labor-intensive and time-consuming and difficult to reproduce. BANDELIN has developed a product that automates these tasks. The TRISON 4000.2. The TRISON cleans up to 4 robotic instruments in one process. The entire instrument is cleaned in an ultrasonic bath, the channels are rinsed individually, and the instrument tip is moved by motor. Cleaning efforts that were performed manually by hand can be carried out automatically. Additionally, to save working time, the device offers the advantage that each instrument will be checked for rinsability, and the result is documented in the process protocol. If the device detects a blockage, the blocked channel is noted in the protocol and displayed on the screen. Standard MIS instruments can also be cleaned using universal irrigation adapters. The TRISON can also clean standard instruments in common sieve trays. Contact us for a quotation. More than clean, BANDELIN.